Cloud CLIs and credentials. Terraform feels powerful, declarative, abstracted, but Terraform does not magically bypass authentication. It still needs cloud credentials. A common mistake is believing Terraform replaces the cloud CLI. It does not. Terraform depends on the same credential the CLI uses. Terraform does not log into AWS. It does not open a browser. It does not prompt you for credentials. It simply asks, are credentials already available? Terraform is a guest in your terminal. Terraform is not an identity. It does not own permissions. It borrows them. The cloud decides who you are. Terraform just speaks on your behalf. Credentials usually come from your cloud CLI, environment variables, or a credentials file, including a specific named profile. Terraform does not choose an account. It uses whatever profile is active or referenced. Cloud CLIs exist to do one thing well: authenticate you, prove your identity, refresh tokens. Terraform assumes this work is already done. Before Terraform plans anything, before it builds the dependency graph, it must pass authentication. This is the pre-flight check. In production environments, credentials expire, sessions rotate, permissions are restricted. If Terraform fails early, authentication is usually the reason. Terraform does not replace cloud security. It respects it. It relies on it. And it fails fast when it is missing. Understand this now, and you will avoid entire classes of failure later.